Today, I'm going to install the Silas sound deafening mat. I've installed one, I've installed another. This is the proper way to install them. First, I get them ready, lay them down on the ground. I grab my cleaner, clean surface thoroughly because you really want it to stick. There we go. Other side of the rag. Okay, then you grab it, put it up here like so. Rub it down. And then you get a set of tools. They're sold separately. And you rub the little squares out until they're gone. And that gives you a finished product.